Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera timer on this device. So first of all, you have to open camera, then you have to tap on the gear icon to open its settings, and here you have this option countdown. This is basically just a camera timer, and it's called countdown on this device. You can set timer on 3, on 5 or on 10 seconds. Let's set it on 3 and try to make a photo. Wow, as you can see, timer worked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.